So, what to do in case that we have some no value, or we can call them null values. For example, here in payment type, we can see on the header that there is, in our preview of the data, which is like first 1000 records, 988 valid values, but 12 missing values. We can see it here, here, and so on. So how to handle it? There are usually two ways, or common ways, how to do it. The first one is handle it with some default values. For that, we can quickly search for the replace empty values step. And of course, if you want to handle it as an error, you can always validate if not empty, and that these fields would be marked with the errors. But let's focus on the replace empty values to the solution. First input column, so I can select payment type and put there the default value. So for example, cash. Write result to the current column, so we will just replace the empty values here. Add step. That would be it. No more missing values here. Good job. Or the second approach would be remove the rows with the empty values if you don't want to have them at all. For that, let's disable the replace and add another step, which would be simple filter based on formula. Here you can decide either keep or remove the rows which will pass the condition. And condition is written in the formula. Here you can see some examples how to do it. So for example, the field and fields are marked with the dollar number is greater than 100. Or in our case, it will be not empty. So what we can do simply is dollar, and it will give you the autocomplete function. So it can be payment type. The name of the column you can always find if you will hover over the column as well. So payment type, we are correct. And then we will be comparing it. And for comparison, we are using the double equal with null, which is placeholder for the empty values. And these cells which will pass the condition, we will be removing. So that would be it. Add step. And here you can see that we filter out 12 rows. That's what we wanted. And this is it. The two main approaches how we can handle the empty values. Replace with the default or remove the rows directly if you don't want to mark them as errors.